Shalom, Royal Family. The class you are about to hear is taught by the Honorable Yahweh Bateman Sophie Yahweh many years ago. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Visit us at www.yahweh144000.com. Also, Royal Family, you can enroll in classes designed for the Godhead at www.universityofyahweh.org. Enjoy.
Welcome to Feast of Tabernacles. You may be seated. Ezekiel 39:7. Ezekiel 39:7. I will make my name known, my holy name. I don't just have a name, but my name is holy. And I will make my holy name known in Israel. So I'm making my holy name known in the midst of you, Israel. And I'm not going to let you pollute my holy name anymore. Behold, it is come and it is done, saith Yahweh. This is the day, right now, whereof I have spoken. Now let's go to Numbers 24:9. Numbers chapter 24, verse 9. Read.
He counts, he lay down as a lion, and as a great lion, who shall stir him up? Blessed is he that blesseth thee, and cursed is he that curseth thee.
Praise Yahweh. You, the black man of America, are the one that is couched. The black man of America is the one that is laying down as a lion, as a great lion, meaning he's a great what? A great king. You are a great king. But you couch down, laying down, sleep. So the question is, who will stir you up? Who is it has the nerve? Right. Isaiah chapter 11. Verses 1 through 4. Isaiah 11, 1 through 4. Read.
And there shall come forth a rod out of the stem of Jesse, and a branch shall grow out of his roots.
Who is this rod? Who is this stem of Jesse? And who is this branch growing out of his roots? Right. Because what you thought was the one was my type. I'm the anti-type. David was the type. I'm the anti-type. So if you want to know all about what I'm going to do, what I'm doing, study David. He is a foreshadow of me. If you study him now, you can discover, and it'll just excite you, you can discover right where I am now in my battle with Goliath. Goliath is America, you know. I got a rock out of the 5 that I picked from the brook that I'm putting in my slingshot. And you need to study David and see, has he picked up the sling yet? Is he swinging it? Am I swinging it yet? Because I guarantee you, when I turn it loose, it's going to hit Goliath right in the middle of his forehead and sink in. I'm that little youth that's been chosen to fight Goliath, who's been a warrior since his youth. Oh, glory. Well, one day I might touch upon that story when y'all get familiar with it. But I want you all to study this first and learn all you can about it, so that you'll be excited when I come along and talk about what you understand. Then you'll be even more excited when I explain to you what you don't understand. In the meantime, I'm that branch. Verse 2 gives us 7 perfect spirits of mind. 7 perfect spirits of mind. Read.
And the Spirit of the Lord Yahweh shall rest upon him, the Spirit of wisdom and understanding, the Spirit of counsel and might, the Spirit of knowledge and of the fear of the Lord Yahweh.
That's 7 spirits that are my characteristics, my possession. Makes me one of a kind. Show me another that the Spirit of Yahweh is resting upon. Praise Yahweh. 3, verse 3, read.
And shall make him of quick understanding in the fear of the Lord Yahweh.
Who is him? All right.
And
read on.
And he shall not judge after the sight of his eyes, neither reprove after the hearing of his ears.
Read.
But with righteousness shall he judge the poor, and reprove with equity for the meek of the earth. And he shall smite the earth with the rod of his mouth, and with the breath of his lips shall he slay the wicked.
See how powerful my mouth is? Even my breath is awesome. The earth cannot escape my smiting. I tell the earth up front, I'm going to smite the whole earth. All they can do is just get prepared to take it. And we studied Smite. So you who are new tonight, you write down the word Smite and study that up in your dictionary, and you'll see what I'll be doing to this earth. And that's just with the rod of my mouth. And with the breath of my lips, I'm going to slay the wicked. And last night we discussed and researched the word slay. Tonight I want to see the wicked. Who are the wicked? Who are the wicked? If I'm going to slay the wicked, you should want to know who they are. So I think we better study wicked. Yes, ma'am.
Wicked, vicious.
Woo. Vicious. A wicked person is vicious. I've heard of a vicious animal, a vicious dog. I got to look that word up too. You got to write that word down for me, because vicious makes me shudder. Vicious.
Depraved.
I got to come look that up. A wicked person, I'm going to slay the vicious and the depraved.
Mischievous.
I'm going to slay the wicked, the vicious, the who?
Mischievous.
Mischievous.
Or playfully malicious.
and the malicious. I'm so glad you know all those words. We have discovered that to understand one word, they give you a bunch of words you don't understand. See the trick?
Wicked, harmful, pernicious,
Look at this. Harmful. The wicked are harmful to us. And pernicious.
Pernicious, having an exceedingly harmful effect, causing insidious harm or ruin. This means that the harm that's being done is stealthily treacherous and often operating inconspicuously, but with grave and serious effect. Insidious, tending to cause death or serious injury. Insidious, pernicious, deadly, causing great harm, destructive, highly injurious. Pernicious, ruinous, destructive, damaging, hurtful, harmful, dangerous, lethal, deadly, pernicious, venomous, and malicious. Pernicious.
I'm so happy you know what pernicious is. How can we know who I'm going to slay if you don't understand who they are?
wicked, obnoxious,
If somebody around us chooses to remain obnoxious, some of us we came here obnoxious. And we didn't know that. But as soon as we discovered that our personality was obnoxious to others, we changed. But when a person chooses to be obnoxious with understanding, then he's wicked. If you are obnoxious and ignorant, you're still wicked. But you can be saved if you choose to understand and change. Come on.
offensive,
See? Wicked people are offensive. It's a rejoicing to the heart to know the nature of your enemy. That gives you the victory over him. It's when you don't know he is and you think that sucker's your friend, he can get to you.
wicked,
That sucker
formidable,
is formidable. The wicked is a formidable enemy. He's no small cheese. He's not someone you can easily dismiss. He is formidable.
excellent,
What?
excellent,
Excellent? Wicked?
It gives an example as a wicked set of tennis.
Oh, okay. In other words, he's excellently wicked. I can go with that, yeah. Praise Yahweh. All right, now we understand he's excellently wicked. Okay. That's it. Now let's go back to the beginning. Vicious.
Vicious, having the nature of vice,
Ho, 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 ho. Hold it. See, when you talk about the wicked, you're talking about a people's nature. You know what nature is? You don't have to teach him. See, when we turn to Psalm 58:3, we got him. The wicked are estranged from the womb. As soon as he be born, he speaks lies. This class is revealing this devil for what he is. See, revealing Satan has never been done by anyone but me. Say that again.
Vicious, having the nature of vice.
Of vice. A nature of vice, and what else?
Evil.
A nature of vice and evil?
Or immorality.
Woo. And you didn't understand that when I started teaching you and focusing your mind on moral behavior. How many understand that I'm teaching you the law? Praise Yahweh. Moral behavior is the law of the whole book that deals with your nature. See, your nature is righteous. I am seeking those whose nature, though you've been doing wicked, is nevertheless righteous. Your nature is righteous, though you've done wickedly. So the distinction between the wicked and the righteous nature is the one whose nature is wicked is indelible. The nature of the wicked is indelible. Is that I-N-D-E-L-I-B-L-E? The nature of the wicked is indelible. Impossible to change it. The dictionary says the wicked's nature is indelible, impossible to change it. Now Yahweh sends me to a hard-headed people. That's you. Hard-headed black folk, stiff-necked black folk, and rebellious rebels against Yahweh, who are followers of the wicked. The black man of America is hard-headed, stiff-necked, and a rebel against Yahweh, and a follower of the wicked. Now we have to understand, I am come giving you salvation, whereas all religions leave you damned from your God. I am come with salvation, teaching you that your nature is righteous. Though you are hard-headed, stiff-necked, and rebellious, and followers of the wicked, yet your nature being righteous, you can change. Yahweh created you after himself. You are the blood, bone and flesh of the Creator whose nature is right. So when I come to you and my people that reject me, it's not their nature that rejects me, it's their love of wickedness. So they are going against their nature. The black man only chooses to do wicked. But his nature is to do right. Every one of you in here, your nature is to do right. That's your nature. And your nature is indelible. Though you are more corrupt and twofold more the child of hell than the devil himself, your nature is redeemable if you choose. Therefore, it may seem evil to you because of your love for wickedness to serve Yahweh. But nevertheless, you are the only man that can choose to change from wickedness to righteousness. You're the only man with a conscience. The conscience is a righteous nature. Deep down, you know when it's wrong. And when you get ready to do any wickedness, you know right away, I know I shouldn't be doing it. We look to the right, and we look to the left. Do that little wicked thing. But see, all the time, your conscience be condemning you. What is your conscience? Your righteous nature. Your righteous nature always condemns you. That's why when I chastise you for your doing wicked, you have to take it. It pierces your heart. It hurts down to your toes. And you wish you had not done it. And inside you say, oh, Yahweh, help me. I don't want to do it again. And your righteous nature sometimes won't let you sleep too good. Your righteous nature makes you feel guilty. Your righteous nature makes you feel bad when you do things against Yahweh. Why has the white man been so successful at keeping you in wickedness? Answer, Psalms 83, 1 through 5. He caused you to forget your righteous nature, Yahweh. Did he not? He caused you to forget. You still feel wrong when you do wrong, but you don't know where to turn. That's how he tricked you in the churches and other religions. You go to churches and different things and belong to a lodge because you really be seeking right. See, why do you seek right? Because it's your nature. You are not wicked. You do wickedly. But you definitely are not wicked by nature.